What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. Today, I have my 2011 WRX, and I have to change out the brakes and the rotors. They are really bad. Like, when I say bad, I'm about to show you in a minute. They're really bad. So I got these amazing brake pads. They are carbon fiber. For those who don't like the way I say fiber, don't care. Ceramic, so hopefully it'll keep brake dust to a minimum. Not sure. I'm trying to experiment on different types of brake pads to prevent minimum brake dustage. I am gonna get new rims for this one. If you have XXR rims, complete trash. Hate them. Literally. Let's backtrack a little bit. So I bought this car at an auction. Motor was completely trash, which hence one of the videos that I made opening up the motor. Got a full JDM motor swap in there, and the car came with XXR rims. One of them had a crack, got it fixed, or not, I didn't get it fixed, I got it replaced. Exact XXR rim. And then another one had a crack, replaced that one. Another one had a crack, replaced that one. The new one had a crack. So I'm like, you know what, screw this. I literally almost bought all 4 brand new XXR rims and they constantly get cracked. So rather than buying yet another 2 more rims that look like they're about to crack and the one that is cracked, I said screw it. So I am gonna buy a new set of rims. I forgot what they were called, but I will order them sometime next week. Maybe I'll make a nice little review on it, but I digress. We're back to the rotors. I got these nice, sweet bad boys. They're slotted rotors by Power Stop. I will put a link in the description down below. Power Stop has a lot of good brake stuff, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do a quick rotor and brake pad swap. I'm not gonna be swapping out calipers on this one today. I will clean them up nice. I got a wire brush that I'm just gonna just take care of those things and hope I don't forget anything. You know, these brakes are pretty important, but I will show you how bad these things are. Like, I can't believe that I was driving like this at all, because it's just you'll see. You'll just see. So step 1, you're going to loosen up your lug nuts, just so when the car is up in the air, you're just not spinning your tires around. Step 2, we're going to jack up the car just enough. Yeah, just keep jacking until we're lifted off the ground. Oh, almost forgot, safety first. Too lazy to go get some jack stands, so, you know, put a block of wood under there. Safety is my #1 priority, guys. Now, from here, we're gonna take our nuts completely off. It's okay if your nuts drop to the ground, because, you know, you can always just pick them up later, but occasionally you'll have 1 or 2 nuts drop in your lifetime. So I have a wire brush, guys, and I've been like wanting to use it so bad on anything, and what better place to use it than seeing if I can clean up these calipers, make them look decent. And I'm gonna do this right now while it's on here, so it's not moving around too much, and probably gonna inhale a lot of rust and dust. That's actually working out a lot better than I thought it would. All right, boys and girls, well, that looks like that's as good as it's gonna get. Actually came out a lot better than I thought it would. Took off all that, well, a lot of the red paint. I could probably go through it one more time once I get a lot of it off. I'll just leave the bracket on. When I take off the caliper, I can scrape off whatever excess is on there. And it will look somewhat new. I mean, I don't really care too much about this Subi, since this is my winter car and it really gets beat up a lot, so yeah. All right, so it looks like right here we have 14 millimeter. First try. That was not hard at all. Kind of concerning. Well, it's a good thing I'm doing them the right way. Ugh, all that rust particles going in my lungs, lovely. And I need a screwdriver. All right, screwdriver, do your thing. Too easy. Let's see how bad these pads are. You know what? They're actually, oh, wrong way. They're shit. Oh, they're real bad. Look at that. No stopping power in that. By the way, this white creamy stuff, just stuff when I got excited using that wire brush. Anyways, time to inhale some more brake dust, you know. Or not brake dust, rust powder and brake dust powder. That's good enough. I don't care. I'm hot. It's hot in here, guys. I'm sweating. All right, anyways, now I just gotta take off these nuts right here. And don't tell me it doesn't. Why? Great. There's like a huge nut right where I need it be. That's for that way. Not that way. Always forget how to do this. Yeah, it's definitely like this. Screw it. I'll get a fucking hammer. Ow. Alright, break's over. Now I'm just gonna take off this bracket, get it off by hand now. It also looks like I need some new ball joints for my lower control arm, which I really hate doing ball joints with a passion. I literally will just buy a whole new lower control arm because I don't want to do it. Alright, bracket's off, and oof, this is bad, guys. Look at that. Look at all that pitting. Gross. All right, now time to grab the fresh rotor. Here we go. Put a nice fresh rotor. Oof, that looks nice. Now let me just stare at this for a little bit. Okay, staring complete. And now we put the new stuff on here. I'm gonna take off these old bracket thingies right here. I don't need them anymore. They supplied me with new ones. All right, I'm finally back with these brackets. Hopefully I don't have to get up anymore. This is what they look like, and this is where they're going, I think. It goes like this. Oh, I see the problem here. It needs some persuasion. Nothing a good old persuasion can't fix. There we go. She's in. Now to do the other side. All right, now for the brakes. Right now it only goes in one way, so I can't really mess this up. What is this? Is this even supposed to be here? All right, so getting these pads in really kicked my ass. I decided to do this first, mostly because, I don't know, I think it'll be easier for me to put the pads in now while dealing with these brackets, because these brackets are always a pain in the ass because there's like little to no wiggle room and you have to like put it in straight or else it won't go in at all. So very beneficial if you do this, you know, first. So I'm gonna have this here. I'm gonna actually get it installed actually. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I have a C-clamp on my caliper. So what I'm doing is I am slowly bringing that piston down so I can get that nice and flush. Reason why I'm doing that is so this way it'll be easier to slide over these brake pads. If not, you're gonna have a bad time. It's not gonna be fun. Slide that thing over there. I mean, if you were like one of those high-speed people and just put a screwdriver in there before they took it out, you could do that too, I guess. It's also important to go nice and slow. Why? Not really sure, but I was always told to go nice and slow. Alright, so now we're just gonna tighten these up. Alright, now she is in. Oof, look at that. Can't wait to stop, I guess. No, but it does look pretty nice, pretty clean. Can't wait to test it out and see what kind of stoppage this thing has. Also, I'm curious to see on the brake dust with those caliper or with those brake pads, see if I'm getting a lot of brake dust. So this way I can put it on my other car. Brake dust is not my friend, but I'm gonna put this tire back on and we can get on with the other side. It's a shame that I'm gonna get rid of these XXRs because, you know, it looks pretty nice with those nice slotted rotors. All right, so here's my other rotor. Look at that. Also not looking so pretty. That's actually a lot worse than the other one. Oh, since I have the rim off, I gotta show you guys this thing. See that right there? So that's a crack in my brand new rim that had a crack, and I literally only had this thing for like a couple weeks. Mind you, I haven't even been driving this car for, I don't know, since all of summer. I literally just probably got the new rims, parked it in my garage, and yeah, so this happened, and it's like literally my third cracked rim from XXR. So if you guys are in the market for brand new rims, steer clear from XXR because they're really bad, like their warranty. I hit them up and I was like, guys, like I don't know what you guys did with these rims, but literally all of them are being cracked. And they were like, oh no, it's bent, so it means you did it. And I'm like, I don't even remember hitting a pothole, to be honest with you. All I remember is having a flat tire, and I thought it was just a flat tire that I was dealing with, but no, it was a cracked rim. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up this rotor, or this caliper, just like I did on the other side, and then, yeah, I'm just gonna kind of skip through the process. You guys already saw me do the other side, and I'll just show you the end results. Okay, guys, so there you have it. This one cleaned up a lot nicer than the other side. Actually, just kidding. I just used some chrome spray and it looks fantastic. It actually looks somewhat brand new. It would help if my hands weren't so dirty, but it's looking pretty good. Can't wait till I get those new rims. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's how you install brakes and rotors on a WRX. It's pretty much the same for, I guess, any other car, except if you have like an Audi or a Volkswagen. I think for the rear brakes, you need like a special tool. That's a pain. But anyways, for the most part, also if you don't have drum brakes, I hate those too. If you have drum brakes, sucks to suck. Then you should just get rid of the car and get some real brakes. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I can't wait to show you guys the rims that I am getting for this Subi right over here. Like I said, this is my beater car, my winter car. I am gonna practice my welding, which is the little welders right over here. Grab it without making a mess. Got it on Amazon, 150 bucks. Just gotta pick up some welding rods. I had some laying around, and I don't think those were the right ones, guys. And my whole house started flickering. Oh, what am I getting myself into? But anyways, guys, I need you guys to like and subscribe, or else the chicken gets it. I will cut his throat off if you guys don't subscribe to my channel. He's saying help me. See you guys next week.